Yep. So while that one is downloading, okay, that was fast. Can you save it to your downloads folder, please? I don't know where it is. Yeah, click on save. And if you open up the new link, the Node.js link, can you open that up as well? It's in the Zoom chat.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here too.
And if you click on the window binaries .zip.
I think we can use the installer anyway.
Okay.
I know you're a Mac user, so
okay, so the Windows installer,
yeah.
The 64-bit. Yeah, so if you go to your download folder, let's see the two files that have just been downloaded.
So yeah, Node.js and
Now, okay, double click on the node one. Okay, wow, this one is, okay, click on next.
Yeah, this means that you've got Node already before, right?
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can you pause for now? Just
yeah,
pause.
I think you can continue. You just click on change and yeah.
Okay, change. Okay.
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Click on change.
I already have Node.js.
Yeah, click on
That's
change.
what it means anyway.
Okay.
Click on change.
Then next, right?
Stop resetting it.
Then next. Yeah, that's it. Change.
Change.
Okay. Yeah, for the other guys that have not got it installed, to be honest, it's so easy. Just close your eyes and just click on next, and finish. Yeah.
Finish. And if you open up your command prompt, and just type node space dash dash version. Dash dash. Yeah, press enter. Okay, that's good. So if you open up your Visual
Sorry, do you mean the VS Code?
Yes.
No, the download folder.
I accept the agreement. Yeah, click on next. Next. Yep, tick that one.
That's fine, yeah. Can everyone go through this, please, if you can? Yeah, thank you.
Next. Install. Finish. Good. So if you go back to your terminal, your command prompt, now you need to create the project folder. If you do an ls,
Okay, all right. So I know you are
is it a
Mac
different
user.
command?
For Windows, it's quite easier than that. So go to your Window Explorer, create a folder there.
Oh, sorry.
Just create your C drive, go to your C drive, create
C
a folder
drive,
for, yes, Cypress. The Mac users, they are very, very technical in their approach. Call this Cypress automation, for instance. Without space. Anytime you create a folder in automation, ensure that there's no space. It's very, very important. Yeah. Okay.
We go to your Visual Studio Code now. So we just open up this folder in it. Go to File. I think if you click on the menu at the top, the one next to that, yeah, that one. File, Open, File. Click on that, please.
I think it's folder, open folder, right?
Okay. Yeah, open folder, because I don't think my one had, it only had open folder.
Open folder, yeah.
Then go to the C drive and pick up the Cypress automation folder you've just created. Just at the top. Select folder. Select folder. Right. So the next thing.
Let's pause it a while. Okay. Now let's ask. Okay. How many people have done this now? Okay. Or if you are struggling, right? We've not done anything much anyway. Quickly, we go 70 minutes more. All right. So how many people have done this? Can you raise your hand up? How many people? Okay, thank you. How many people? Okay, thank you.
4.
Okay, cool. Let's
5.
Okay. So who is struggling? I couldn't do it. I'm still having issues. I'm not clear. So let's lower our hands anyway quickly. Let's see. Anyone that is struggling with these steps. Comfort. Okay. Is the issue?
I'm on my
So
phone.
I've just installed the nodes, and it says make sure that your USR local whatever is in your path, S path. Is that okay? Do I close that?
Do you want to share your screen quickly? So see, can you stop sharing? We'll come back to you quickly, right? Just to see what you're talking about anyway. So as we are waiting for you, Rose, what's your issue? Rose?
I got lost somewhere. I'm at the point where I'm trying to install, and it says click the icons in the tree below to change the way the features will be installed. And then I have Node.js runtime, core pack manager, npm package. I don't know what to choose there if I click next.
All right, cool. So, okay, we'll come back to you. Oyin, these are your family Mac users, right?
So you just need to click on close.
Exactly. Okay. I think you are also fine because you've got,
Okay.
you just need to open the visual code and that if you already installed it, so you're fine. So Rose, do you want to share your screen, right, while we're waiting for you? Adewega. Adewega, what's the issue?
Yes,
So,
I tried installing Node.js. I got to a point, it has installed. I got to a point, it told me that I should, do I want to install? I think it said something about Python and Visual Studio tools and everything. So it's from the command prompt. I said yes, that it should just continue. I was believing it's a tool. So it started installing something from Windows PowerShell for some
right.
time now.
Let's come to you. Let's come back to you. This is
Mhm.
window application, right? So what did you click on? Yeah. Can you click on next? Just go next, and that's it. You should be fine. Yeah. Yeah, you can uninstall. Yeah, that's all. Then, yeah, anything, just click on next. It's quite easy. Just close your eyes and click on next. It's not difficult to install, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, let's go to Adewega. Do you want to show your screen, please?
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay. Any other person that's having issues? To be honest, this is quite easy. I should expect everyone to go through it quickly. So once you have the link, click on the right, exe, whether you're a Mac user or Windows user. So once you click on the right one, then you're fine. Yeah.
The last user should stop sharing, please.
Can you stop sharing? Yeah, thank you.
Adeboyega, do you want to share your screen? Coyote, you have your hand up.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you need help with? Hello?
Yeah, can you see my screen?
No, we cannot.
It's starting since anyway.
Oh, okay. Let me just stop and do it again.
Okay. Coyote, what do you need help with? If you're speaking, you're muted.
Something, can you be muted? I think there's echo coming from your end. Okay, Kaide, you are muted. Okay.
Yes,
right.
yes. I don't know. I've not been able to link my Visual Studio to I don't think it has been linked with Node.js. I don't know.
No,
Maybe
you
if
don't
I
need
can
to
share.
worry. You don't need to worry about that. Once what we've done is just kind of install these two applications separately. They are not linked, right?
Okay, have you installed Node.js?
Kyle, that's a question for you.
Can you see my screen now, please?
Pardon? Oyin, what do you asked me a question?
I was asking if you've installed Node.js and if you installed Visual Studio Code.
I've installed both, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. You can, I think the next thing you need to do now is to, if you're using a Windows, just like Tosin has done, kindly create a folder in your C drive, then open it up in your Visual Studio Code. That's what you need to do next.
Okay, I think we got, why are you using PowerShell? Why is this?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to explain. When I installed the Node.js, I think after it had finished installing, it told me, do I want to install said Python and Visual Studio tools, build tools. He said build tools. So he now said press any key to continue. So I pressed it twice. So it first of all it installed this PowerShell, then it started installing all
Okay,
these
all right.
things.
So let's see, go to your terminal, right? Close this PowerShell, to be honest. Go to your terminal and do what Oyin did, right? Just say node dash version, right?
So will I still get it?
Click on, yeah,
So you need
click
to open up
on,
command prompt.
yeah, click on
Okay.
your window, yeah, and just say CMD, yeah, or click there, say CMD, yeah. Click on the command prompt, open. Okay. Now say node space dash version. Okay, that means you're fine. Then go to start and open Visual Studio Code.
You have it installed?
Yeah, you haven't got Visual Studio Code. Can you click on that link and go in there? So,
Okay, for the visual. Okay.
yeah, the link on the chart. That's what you need. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Should we continue or should we attend to those guys raising their hands?
I think it's only Kayode that has his hand raised up. We can look
Okay.
into his one.
Okay, so we can move on. So yeah. Tosin, do you want to come up again?
I thought it was Kayode that was coming up.
No, yeah, it was Tosin that started, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sharing now.
Okay. So what you need to do next is open up the terminal in Visual Studio Code. So if you click on the menu, click on.
Hold on. Can you put on full screen, right? If you put on full screen, I think the menu should be at the top. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Can you see? Yeah.
If you click on the three dots, terminal, new terminal, and if you type npm init-y, init-y, there's a space between the npm and init.
Okay, quickly, Oyin, just to explain what this is, do you want to tell them what this is for? Why do we have to do this?
Like I said initially, npm init-y, there's a space between the T and the dash. it basically initiates or creates the package.json file that is sort of one of the important files that we need within the Cypress project. So there's
yeah, it's init initialization. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Davidson. So it's init, then dash. Yeah, so it's after T, then you put this space, yeah. Okay.
then you press enter. So you would see it creating a new folder on the left side under the Cypress automation, yes. So now that you've done that, the next thing we need to do is to install Cypress. So the command is npm install Cypress. Install, there's an S missing.
You need to use your left mouse, yeah.
Then you press enter.
Okay, as you are waiting for this, it will take a while because you are just installing it. So, but in some cases, this might freeze, right? So if it doesn't do anything after a few minutes, so close the terminal, open it again, then do the next step anyway. But yeah, so I think I saw something. Something, you're fine, right? I saw your hand. Are you okay now?
Yes, I was going to ask after the okay, yeah, but npm the code, the first line npm init dot dash y, is that correct?
Yeah, I think it's on the chart. Check the chart. Yeah, npm. Okay, I think I can type it. Yeah, npm init dash y. Yeah.
Yeah, you're saying the term npm is not recognized as the name of any.
Yeah, that means you haven't got node installed.
Yes.
I did.
So when you installed Node.js, did you go back to your terminal to do node space dash dash
version? Yeah, and I have v18.17.1.
Okay. Also means that it's possible that before you install the node, you've got the terminal open. Close the terminal and open it again. Sometimes Windows does that. It doesn't recognize it because you've installed the node after the terminal is opened. All right.
Okay. Okay.
So close it, close Visual Studio as well, and open it again. Once you got the node, I think npm should be fine.
Now completed.
Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay. Okay.
It's not.
Yeah, it's just completed.
No, it's just completed, yes. So the
So
next
another thing I've seen, if you actually found out that is there for a long time, maybe more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes anyway, just press enter several times anyway. So, and if it's finished, you will see this screen, this particular DOS prompt, right? And the number of times that you press enter will just appear several times like that. Anyway, because it takes a while sometimes, so you don't even know whether it's finished or it's not. So, but if it's taking a while, just press enter several times. If nothing happens, just wait. And yeah. Okay, Samson, quickly.
Yeah, it worked now. Yeah.
All
so
right.
the second.
Okay, Adeni.
Sorry, I'm sorry to bring us back, but the first line after Cypress automation, that the first line, that's what I just need. I'm sorry.
Please on the chat.
Okay, thank you.
npm. Okay, I'm going to send it again. Sorry, I think I even sent it to you instead of sending it to everybody. So
sent it already, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Olusegun, your hand is up.
Yeah, I think you even send it back to me, right?
Yeah, please, could you please repeat the
Yeah, we've
line,
been saying, yeah.
the line of action you took before you got to where it displays the terminal?
Sorry, could you come again?
As in, before you could display the terminal, what was the action being done?
It clicked on the three dots, clicked on terminal, then new terminal.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right, let's move on. I think we are right on time now. The next step is going to be quick. So within 10 minutes, I think we should be finished. Yeah. The target is just to visit a site, and that will be it.
Right. So if you
Still having issue with the terminal.
So we might have to continue anyway, Kyle. So let's see.
So if you type npx Cypress open, that should open up Cypress UI for you. npx is in the Zoom chat, npx. Allow access.
Hold on. Before you click on it, also because you should have also allowed the private one as well. Anyway, okay, but that's fine.
You click on continue. End-to-end testing. Continue. Start end-to-end testing in Chrome. Scaffold example spec. Okay, I got it. And there you have it. So if you go back to your Visual Studio Code, you should see a couple of new folders on the left side of Visual Studio Code. Yeah, so you should see Cypress, Node modules, and the other two extra ones as well. So what you need to do now is to click on the Cypress drop down, the arrow beside it, and the one on end-to-end as well. And if you right click on end-to-end, create a new file for your test, new file. It's the first on the list. And I don't know what you want to call it, but you can give it a meaningful name, .cy.js.
Okay, all right. So that is also important. JavaScript, as you can see at the bottom, they always start their letters in lower cases. Do you guys? It's different from C#. Yeah. So everything, yeah, basically everything on lowercase anyway. So yeah. If you need to separate it, you can put dash in between. But yeah. Okay. I know you say .cs.
Too long.
Yeah, it's good. Just remove the Cypress. Yeah.
.cy dot
Just
j.
wire that sender.
Dot js. And I will press enter.
Okay. Another thing, when you finish, if that JS at the beginning did not show, you've done something wrong. Right. So it has to, yeah, that one has to show. That means, yeah, it's actually got the right extension. Yeah.
And for the reference for the autocomplete support, I've put in the chat, the Zoom chat. So
Can you just copy what you got and splash it on the screen, right? On the chat, everything. That would be easier, isn't it?
oh yeah, okay, that's fine.
Yeah, just copy all the content and let's put it on the screen, and that would be us now.
Okay, can
Yeah.
copy what I have in the chat, the Zoom chat.
Okay, cool.
So if you go back to the Cypress UI, I think you need to minimize your screen and bring it back up. It's probably at the back of your Visual Studio Code.
I think on your taskbar, you got these 3 dots on your taskbar at the bottom, right? Yeah, those ones. Yeah.
Yeah, bring up the Chrome. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you should see my first test on the list. Yeah, there you go. Click on that. No test found. Can you go back to your Visual Studio Code? And if you, so click anywhere on that terminal and do, I think you need to do on the terminal, click on the terminal anywhere on the terminal. Okay. I think you need to do a Control-C.
Yes, I think I saw this one as well. So you can also set the auto save, right? It took me a while and I was like, what is happening on my screen?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not, the auto save is not done yet. Yeah.
All right, okay. So type Y, capital Y. Yeah, and press enter. So that's the job terminated. So I think you need to save.
Yeah. If you go to file, right, you can say save all, right?
Okay, save all.
Yeah. Then also if you go back again, right, go to the file again and then click on autosave. So next time you will be saving automatically. Yeah.
So it's activating extensions.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you run npx Cypress open again now in your terminal,
You can click your, or you can press your up button, up arrow. Up arrow, use the up arrow button. Yes. So up arrow will bring all the commands that you've done, even if you go up. It's the same thing with Git as well anyway. So To click on that one.
If you scroll down on this one, I think you just need to click on accept or
Yeah. So click on more. Turn it on. It's going in loop,
I
right?
don't know why this is happening. Wait a minute. Let's see. Into N side.js. Spec run out file equals Cypress. Can you go back to Visual Studio Code and do a Control-C?
You need to
Just do a
click on,
Control-C.
yeah, okay, yeah.
Why? Can you open it back up again? I don't know why this is reloading.
Can you go back? Let's check the first one, the example. Click on back button, please. Click again. Click again. Click again. Yeah. So click on that to do on after below the that one. Yeah. Let's check if that one works.
It is working for me.
I think it works for me as well. Okay. One thing that you could do, close this one, right? Close everything, close Visual Studio and open it again, right? Close that one, yeah. Close Visual Studio. Or Visual Code rather, anyway. So yeah, then open it again. Yeah, close that one, we don't need that one again. Yeah, go to Visual Code, open Visual Code. Okay, so as we are on it, do we have any other person that's been able to do this step now? So just to kind of touch base before we go today. So what's going to happen now? We're going to have another session next week. Yeah. for you guys in the internship, you have opportunity to use Cypress, right? So I think this internship is becoming interesting anyway. So you'll be using Selenium, and you also be able to use Cypress within your internship, which I think is really, really good to see that anyway. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry about that one. Yeah. Just open the Cypress again. Another thing, maybe it could also be all this screen that you've opened on the bottom, right? Because also possible that the Chrome is trying to come up, right? So can you remove some of this one, right? Yeah, close some of them if you, yeah, on pin, yeah. Or yeah, I think maybe there's a lot there. You don't even have a space for anything, right? Remove Visual Studio, unpin Visual Studio. The two Visual Studio that you pinned, can you unpin them? Visual Studio, yeah, that one, yeah. And the second one. Okay. You can unpin Postman as well, anyway. So, of course, you know where IntelliJ is, isn't it? You can, yeah, you can unpin those ones at the, yeah, the Windows, yeah, the Windows Store beside the browser, the Windows Store. You don't need that anyway, isn't it? Yeah. The Microsoft Store, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, I think it's going to come up now. Okay, click on that. Okay, so let's see the to do first. Let's see that to do. Let's ensure that works. Okay. All right, brilliant. Okay. So now let's go back. Click on the spec. Yeah, I think. Click on the spec at the top. All right, I think, yeah. Then scroll down.
Maybe something else you can try is maybe restarting your laptop,
Yeah.
because it shouldn't take this long.
If you go to terminal and check if you have an error on the terminal, because if it's taking that long, you might see. Go to code and see what is the
Visual
log.
Studio Code.
So it's still working.
Yeah, it's still sort of running.
Yeah. Go back to the Chrome. Let's see. But like Oyin said, maybe you might, yeah, it might be resource issue because you got a lot of things opened, right? So that might be issue. But the fact that one is working, I think this one so should just work anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe you need to restart your laptop.
Yeah, okay, I will do that.
Yeah.
Right.
Before you do that, click on that recycle logo icon at the top, and let's see if that would do anything. That will run all the tests anyway. So yeah, click on it. Let's see, we'll run this because normally within few minutes you run everything. Click on it, please. Have you?
So that's going to run just my first project because that's what.
Oh, it's selected.
Anyway. Yeah.
Have you clicked on it?
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay. I think even your internet is in my end though, because it's just frozen there. I see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe just restart your system and see if that works. So maybe next week we'll look at it again anyway. Yeah. Okay. All right. So okay. All right. So we lost it. Any question before we leave? Right.
Yes, I have a question.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Can I proceed?
Yes.
I noticed that after I entered this line, or in the time after I entered npm install Cypress, it displays some code telling me that failed to remove some directories, some error messages.
Did you see anything about completed or anything at all?
It wasn't
Or
completed.
vulnerabilities? Do you want to quickly share your screen?
Yes. Let me quickly share that.
If you scroll down, you scroll all the way down. All the way down.
That's all.
Can you try again?
The same code, right?
Yes, please. Comfort, your hand is up.
Yes, I'm a Mac user. I didn't see the Eclipse on the right-hand side.
Eclipse?
Eclipse.
The 3 dots.
Oh, okay. Ellipsis. Okay.
Ellipsis.
Yeah, you wouldn't
Okay.
see it.
Okay.
Because you're using a Wing Mac. So you need to, it's meant to be at the very top. You see file, what else? Yours will be very visible, close to the Apple symbol. You should see code, file, edit, selection,
Yes.
view, go, run, terminal.
Yeah, I can see that. What do I click?
What do you want to click on? Or what do you want to do?
I want to do the terminal, new terminal.
Yeah, click on terminal.
There's no terminal here. Oh, click on the, okay. Oh,
So can you see terminal at the top?
yes.
Yeah, you're meant to click on terminal, then new
Okay.
terminal.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Samson, you have your hand up.
Yes, sir. I'm still installing the npm install Cypress. Okay, I think you just finished right now.
Okay. Yeah, guys, I think we might have to take a pause here. Unfortunately. So what I'm going to ask you to do for those guys in the internship or you're in the advance, okay, put your log into the QA community, right, for anything before next week. Okay. So next week we'll do this again. I think, yeah, to be honest, that is everything there is to do in Cypress. The next one, you just have to get your story and start working on it anyway. So we're going to have this session again next week, and we're able to go through it with workshop like we've done today. But to be honest, I really want to say thank you to Oyin. Is she not fantastic, isn't it? So can everyone say thank you to her? She's been awesome. And another thing I want you guys to do, Oyin, the link or the arts link on that slide is your profile, right?
Could you repeat what you said again, sir?
Something code gear, something like that.
Tech Girl Career Consult.
Yeah.
Sorry,
that
what was
just-
the question?
Yes, the art girl career support consult or something like that.
Yeah.
I noticed there as well.
Yes, you can follow us on Instagram. We'll be posting more content on there.
Yeah, you can put that into the link. Support them anyway. So yeah, thank you so much. I think you've been really, really helpful actually. So, and as usual, to be honest. So, and I think everyone also shared the same sentiment. Our Zoom. So let's say thank you, Toyin. So we're going to see her again next week when we're going to wrap up this. But the journey I just started, for those you guys in the internship, you got now a bigger opportunity to be able to use this. And Oyin is the Kiwi community lead or manager, right? So any of your issues that you have, so please send it. Yeah, as you are putting it on the chat, so tag her. So she's always responsive. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, before we go, I don't know which screen is getting shared, but your Cypress is now installed.
It's me. Has it been installed?
Yeah, you can see it says added 178 packages, removed 1 package, found 0 vulnerabilities. So that's it done.
Let me stop sharing them. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right, we'll meet again same time. Okay, so let's come early. So and of course invite as many people that you think is going to be beneficial to them. So even though we are not, it's going to be workshop, we try as much as possible to start from installation again and everything. But what I'm going to ask Oyin to do is to actually put the steps for everyone to say, okay, this is what you need to follow. If you're able to follow it before that time, brilliant. But I will advise you to do the installation before you come, so that what we're going to be resolving will be issues, right? But we'll go through these steps so that maybe if you have anyone joining you for the first time, So ADBC, your problem will not be solved, right? If you follow what we've done, your problem will be solved, okay? Unfortunately. So if it's what we've done today, right, we'll solve it, right? So, but if not, we'll postpone yours until when we get to the advanced level. Otherwise, some people will get confused anyway. So,
So a quick question. Why did I want to ask you, why did that what's it called, installation fail at the first instance?
I think you have to send your query to Bill Gates. Is still alive, right? He's the owner of Microsoft. Unfortunately, he has not sold any shares to me. So yeah. So that's the response I can give to you, Olusegun. Maybe they didn't have a good tester to test the application. So yeah. It just happened, to be honest. Yeah. That's why even like when you said try it again. And you can see, so if it doesn't work, close it and open again, it will try. No one has figured out why it's happening, but sometimes that process works. Sometimes when you call Microsoft, they'll even tell you, shut down your computer, wait for 5 minutes and start it again. It does work. It's one of the support 101 anyway. And as you become mentors, you also know what to tell your mentees as well. Check me.
All right, sir.
Oluwatosin.
Yeah, I just want to confirm, is there a possibility of we getting this recorded one, probably on the group, or is he available on YouTube?
Is on YouTube right now. So the one that Oyin did, right, I kind of deliberately split into two, right? So that we have the one that she did without any comments anyway, which I think is fantastic. And it's short. Within maybe half an hour, she's gone through everything there is to know in Cypress, talking about installation, talking about even how to visit a site, talking about how to post or type, then talking about assertion. To be honest, as an advanced person, that's it. It's enough anyway. So
no, we are still live, sir.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's fine. So this one is on YouTube. You can also get it on YouTube anyway. So you have two, you have two videos. The first one, the first sect, and this is the second one anyway. So both of them will share, but you have it on YouTube even right now anyway. You can view them online. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, cool. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, thanks so much, Oyin, once again. It's really, really helpful. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Oyin.
Anyways, bye everyone.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you very
Bye.